This one has a round neck with buttons. My hands are wide and my hands are wide. The armpits are up to the waist, the arms are wide and withdrawn. I will sew this one out of London fabric or silk cloth. Now we're going to design this template together. To make the sample, my sisters need to prepare the measurements. A shoulder measurement, neck measurement, chest measurement, waist measurement, hip and waist length measurement. And each person will have a different measurement next to this, so you'll measure it and put it in. Share recipe part right after so that we make good for sample. For the first step, this shirt will be worn over the ass. So the length of my shirt is 60. I built a perpendicular line. And then I will leave this line. Let me draw the button. You're going to start here. I'll take the shoulder piece. The shoulder will be the shoulder. Divide to by 2 to 2 is equal to 16 and then lower it to 4. Let's divide 30 by 5, which is equal to 6. I got 6 from here. Connected to. If you lower your chest here, you can split it for 5 sisters plus for 5. 80 minus 5 plus 80 minus 5 is equal to 16. Plus for 5 is equal to 21. I took it from top to bottom. The line I took down is equal to 21. Then cross a line. Then I'll take it across my chest. Chest divided by 4 plus 280 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. From this point I measured 2. Next is the word at the head and shoulders. I measured down a segment by lowering my waist. That's 35 right there, by the way. Cross a line. And then draw the waist width, which is equal to the waist divided by 4. Here I add 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took a road that was 18. Then, in this position of the hip, you're going to cross the hip. Is hip divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Say this part now. And from here you go up to give me 10 cubic meters of gasoline. Then divide this into 3 equal parts. I'll give you 10 for the first one, 3. You're going to bend this road. I hit the road outside. And we're going to get to the pregnant part of the shirt. Here. Later, sisters. Go straight one way. Back to petrol. One way. Back to petrol. Then I can paint. the shirt assembly line. And this neck is a round neck, and from here you step back and it's a gasoline. Here's 7 gasoline. I built a square ruler and I drew the part. This is the front of the collar. Next time you will do something. It's very light and simple. From here, you measure your chest up. Here's to petrol. Then this armpit, you measure out 2 or 7 glasses. And at the chest level, you're reduced to 1. This part of raw 0.7 of the ass, you get a degree. And here I'm going to draw for an ancient part called ba. And now I'm going to start cutting Arabic. His Arabia is without seams. You have to leave the seams when we put them on the cloth. The red line is from the back. The black line, the green line, is the front body. Then we'll cut the body. And then this part you're going to put together. The back of the body, it doesn't have a nut. So you're going to cut off the road. Nut this. Then let's cut this button. Then here you will have the next piece of turmeric. The Sisters of Cho. 1. This is the double chart. And then I'll have the towel first. If you wear the towel first, you will reduce the collar. Reduce the hand. Come on, come on. Then the body. Later, I will reduce a gas in the armpit. After you reduce it, then the front body will have a button ring. I put this part in a gasoline. I put my mother in now. Another gasoline. When I'm done, I'll cut it. The neckline, follow that pleated line. Put it on the button. Now go ahead and draw the sleeve. Apple, I'll rotate this part for you. The circumference I measured is 32. 23. Feces after. I'll measure the armpit. 23. Once you have measured it, you will proceed. Drawing for the sleeve. What about this shirt? Let me see how long his hands are. This sleeve will stretch to the elbow. So I'm going to cut this arm long. Then you cut the length of your hands about 40 to 4 ha. Then, and then the part. If you lower your armpits, you will divide them by 5. You guys give me 7. So my bust size here is 80 divided by 5 plus 7 is 16. If we add 7, we will be equal to. If it is equal to 14, it will be equal to 21. You'll come down this road in 2. Is equal to 21. This line of armpits will be very wide, ha. It will be deep. You'll adjust a little. This is temporary chest divided by 10. Please add 7 for me. Chest split 10 plus 7, 80 divided by 10. That's equal to 8. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15 hectares. So I broke it here. Why did I say it's too wide? 15 sisters. 15 is here. Then you take 23 of it first plus to ba of it. After is equal. 46 you divide 2 is equal to ba. This part you will take. For me it is to ba. From this last one is to ba I go the first one. Then I fold and I split in half. I'm down here alone, up here are 2. And then there's this armpit part. The door is straight. But because of this model, that's it. It goes down a lot at the bottom. So from down here, you will push me out. A segment from here to here is 10 millimeters of gasoline. And then I hit. Curve this arm, follow this line. Then we'll get the sleeve part. Then you'll be able to draw the same for this hand. Then we will You can do that with a sleeve like this. As you can see, this is the sleeve. In the front we expand. And you'll cut it down for me to be green. This hand will belong to the previous hand. This hand belongs to the back. And this one is also very easy to make. You just need to sew the buttons. Then you will sew the shoulder. Then, after sewing the shoulder line, you will put your hand in the body. My hand is in my body. Hit the back of the body. Down again. You will sew the seams. Sew rib, then we're going to fold the arm down. Here we will. May the tay side road and lie side road. Then you go to lie and we will finish this model. Very simple but very cute. Suitable for my middle-aged sisters. I wish you success. Thank you. Hi. See you later.